Can you guess what action I'm doing right now? Stick to the end of the video to know more about such actions.
Welcome to your Daily English Dose.
Hello, explorers! Today, we are going on a very special adventure. But we aren't just going to look at things. We are going to do things. Today is all about action words. Action words are things we can do with our bodies. And I need your help to test them out. Are you ready to get moving? Let me hear you shout, yes! Awesome! Let's go!
Y-A-W-N, yawn.
This action word is yawn.
Y-A-W-N, yawn.
If you want to master all the coolest action words like a pro, stay right here.
I am yawning. I am yawning.
Next word, run! Let's run in place as fast as we can. Like a cheetah. Run, run, run!
R-U-N.
Freeze!
Say loudly, I am running.
Our next action word is
R-E-A-D, read.
we use our eyes and our brains to read. I read a book.
I am reading. S-L-I-D-E, slide.
Here the action word is slide.
S-L-I-D-E, slide. I am sliding. The next action word is E-A-T, eat.
How about this one? And guessed. You got it! Eat. Type it in the comments.
Try to say the answer. I am eating. The next action word is D-A-N-C-E, dance.
See how nicely she danced? Spin around. Shake your arms. You are an amazing dancer.
Try to say the answer. I am dancing. Very good. D-R-I-N-K, drink.
What is the cat doing there?
Drink. D-R-I-N-K.
Repeat it.
Try to say the answer. I am drinking. Very good.
Our next action word is
S-I-N-G, sing.
Try to say, what is she doing? She is singing. Correct.
Try to say the answer. I am singing. Very good.
You jumped, ran, danced, and guessed perfectly. Jump, run, sing, read. Which action word was your favorite? Type it in the comments below.
Hello, students. Read the following questions and try to say answer by yourself.
Pick the correct missing letter. 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 Pick the correct missing letter.
Wow, you are an action word expert. If you had fun moving with me today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures.